kids, today we are learning the names of different sports balls. Are you ready? Let's go.
Basketball.
Basketball.
This is a basketball.
This is a basketball.
Tennis ball.
Tennis ball.
This is a tennis ball.
This is a tennis ball.
Cricket ball.
Cricket ball.
This is a cricket ball.
This is a cricket ball.
Football.
Football.
This is a football.
This is a football.
Golf ball.
Golf ball.
This is a golf ball.
This is a golf ball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
This is a volleyball.
This is a volleyball.
Table tennis ball.
Table tennis ball.
This is a table tennis ball.
This is a table tennis ball.
Baseball.
Baseball.
This is a baseball.
This is a baseball.
Dodgeball.
Dodgeball.
This is a dodgeball.
This is a dodgeball.
Bowling ball.
Bowling ball.
This is a bowling ball.
This is a bowling ball.
Softball.
Softball.
This is a softball.
This is a softball.
Handball.
Handball.
This is a handball.
This is a handball.
Badminton shuttlecock.
Badminton shuttlecock.
This is a badminton shuttlecock. This is a badminton shuttlecock. Futsal ball.
Futsal ball.
This is a futsal ball.
This is a futsal ball.
Pool ball.
Pool ball.
This is a pool ball.
This is a pool ball.
Netball.
Netball.
This is a netball.
This is a netball.
Squash ball.
Squash ball.
This is a squash ball.
This is a squash ball.
Water polo ball.
Water polo ball.
This is a water polo ball.
This is a water polo ball.
Sepak Takraw ball.
Sepak Takraw ball.
This is a Sepak Takraw ball.
This is a Sepak Takraw ball.
Pickleball.
Pickleball.
This is a pickleball.
This is a pickleball.
Lacrosse ball.
Lacrosse ball.
This is a lacrosse ball.
This is a lacrosse ball.
Medicine ball.
Medicine ball.
This is a medicine ball.
This is a medicine ball. Great job, kids. You learned many sports ball names today. Keep practice and keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.